I got a great question. So from a chef to a chef, I don't know what chef this guy is over here. Have you ever had Vienna sausage, Lay's, and Kraft's American Single?
So
In like together?
so Lisa,
I'm a chef too.
his favorite
Gotta
thing.
try it.
So after
I know those sausages with pepper sauce. That's
Yeah,
how I have
yeah,
them.
yeah,
That's how I have them. But I haven't had it with cheese.
With ketchup and hot sauce?
It's good. My dad used to fry that up for us for breakfast
The
sometimes.
blue can or the red can?
The blue can.
That's amazing.
well, Lisa, so like after we had like a long weekend of like playing Tasa, going to all these different events, Brian likes to unwind with a plate full of Lay's potato chips, Vienna sausages, and what
The
is it?
blue can and Kraft's American Singles.
No, what, he's serious. That's what his comfort food is.
You should try it.
Try this.
They put it in your recipe list.
I'm gonna try that.
It looks better. I mean, it tastes better than it looks.